Welcome to the channel. Explore the world. Exciting adventure, full of information about interesting animals and fauna. Adventure exploring the jungle. Keep watching my videos to get lots of information about adventures exploring the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the bell button.
Giraffe animal Giraffe camelopardalis. Giraffes are large mammals known for their long necks and tall legs. The following is a general explanation of giraffes. Physical characteristics. Long-necked giraffes have very long necks, which consist of 7 cervical vertebrae that are the same length as human vertebrae. Tall legs. Giraffes' legs are very long and strong, allowing them to reach tall tree leaves that are difficult for other animals to reach. Distinctive fur. Giraffes have fur that varies in color, ranging from brown to yellowish orange. The pattern of the spots on the feathers can vary between species. Habitat ant distribution. Savanna ant, open forest habitat. Giraffes are generally found in the savanna, open forest and bushy areas of Africa with one species. The Okapi giraffe, found in the Congo rainforest in Central Africa. Okapi species. The Okapi giraffe has a more limited habitat, usually found in lowland rime forests. Eating habits and eating patterns. Herbivores. Giraffes are herbivores, eating tree leaves, buds, and fruit. They have long prehensile tongues, allowing them to reach high leaves. Active diet. Giraffes often feed at night or early in the morning, and have an active diet. Birth and breeding. Long gestation. Female giraffes have a fairly long gestation period, usually around 15 months. Giraffe calf. Giraffes usually give birth to one giraffe calf each time they give birth. Giraffe calves are called calves, and they can stand and walk just a few hours after birth. Personality characteristics. Silent and calm. Giraffes are known for their calm and quiet nature. They are often not aggressive and tend to avoid conflict. Threats and conservation. Habitat loss. Habitat loss due to deforestation, land use change, and human population growth is a major threat to giraffes. Illegal hunting. Giraffes may also be subject to poaching for meat, skin, and bones, although this activity is not as common as poaching of other large mammals. Unique adaptations. High blood pressure to prevent dizziness when eating or drinking water. Giraffes have unique blood vessel valves and a very strong heart. Dangers of fluid intake. Giraffes obtain their fluid requirements largely from their food, and they can pose serious dangers if they drink excessive amounts of water due to the shape and size of their necks. Giraffes are interesting and unique animals, with extraordinary adaptations to life in savanna and forest environments. Conservation efforts involving habitat protection and population management of giraffes are important to maintain their survival in the wild. Areas usually found giraffe animal. Giraffes. Giraffe camelopardalis can be found in various regions in Africa, especially in savannas and grasslands. Here are some areas where giraffes can be found. East Africa region. Giraffes can be found throughout most of East Africa, including Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and Ethiopia. South Africa region. Giraffes can be found in various regions in South Africa, including in national parks such as Kruger National Park. West Africa region. Several subspecies of giraffe can be found in areas of West Africa, such as in countries such as Senegal and Mali. Central African region. Giraffes can be found in regions in Central Africa, including countries such as Cameroon, Republic of the Congo, and Central African Republic. North Africa region. Although less common, giraffes can also be found in small parts of North Africa, such as in Sudan and Chad. Giraffes usually inhabit open savanna, open forest, and grassland in various habitat types in Africa. They can move between different areas in search of food and survival. Keep in mind that the habitat and distribution of giraffes can change depending on the subspecies. There are several subspecies of giraffe with different geographic distributions in different parts of Africa. Giraffes can also be found in national parks and conservation areas, where conservation AFO. How to prevent extinction giraffe animal. Preventing the extinction of giraffes involves a series of conservation and habitat protection measures. Here are some ways to support conservation and prevent giraffe extinction. Habitat protection. Identify, protect, and restore giraffes' natural habitats, such as savanna, grassland, and open forest. Establish and manage national parks, nature reserves, and conservation areas to provide a safe environment for giraffes. Human-animal conflict management. Develop strategies to reduce conflict between humans and giraffes, especially in areas where human-giraffe interactions are increasing. Educate local communities about the importance of preserving giraffes and how they can coexist with humans. Anti-poaching and illegal trade. Increase monitoring and law enforcement to combat illegal poaching and trading giraffes or their products. Anti-poaching and public education campaigns to raise awareness about the negative impacts of poaching on giraffe populations. Population and health monitoring. Conduct regular surveys and monitoring to understand giraffe population size, distribution, and health. Kembunkan Program, Kasa Hatanhuan in Tukmenjalola Dam in Chega Panukat. Yang Depat Mempangirawi Populasi Giraffe. Migration Corridor Development. Identify and develop migration corridors, important for giraffe movement between habitats. Protect migration corridors from development and environmental changes that could hinder giraffe movement. Local community empowerment. Involve local communities in giraffe conservation efforts and provide sustainable economic incentives. Develop programs that empower communities to involve them in monitoring and protecting giraffes. Preventing giraffe extinction requires coordinated efforts at local, national, and international levels, with active involvement from governments, conservation organizations, and communities. We can maintain the sustainability and survival of giraffes in the wild. And that concludes our journey through the wonders of our incredible planet. If you enjoyed this adventure, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next exploration.